Good day, welcome back to the channel. Stuart here. Today we have another unboxing, and this has been one of my holy grail kits, shall we say. I've wanted to have this for a while, and I'm kind of surprised it took until now to get it. This is the 1/72nd scale Angel Interceptor from the UK TV show in the late 60s called Captain Scarlett. The original boxing is 1968. This is the 2011 rebox, and as you'll see when we go in, you'll see very much dated, but again very much a holy grail from some of the Jerry Anderson late 60s early 70s kid sci-fi series. The idea behind this one is these were a series of interceptors from Skybase. They were flown by lady pilots, which I guess in the late 60s was considered unusual and forward-thinking, and just a gorgeous looking fighter interceptor craft. So I'm probably going to do a what if, but we'll see what happens. So anyway, let's take a look and have a look inside. As you can see, lovely box art showing two of them in action. And as I say, not a lot of parts here because it is from the 1960s. So what we'll do is we'll just kind of go through each one in turn. So there's the first sprue showing one side, some other little details, definitely an older mold. But again, low part counts. The idea was for the kids to quickly get it together and put it together. So that's the first one. Second sprue consists of the other half and some of the rest of the wings section. As you can see, absolutely no detail for the cockpit sides or anything. Here we have one of the Angel pilots, Destiny for example, and like I said, a very simple, where is it there, one part seat. So yeah, not a lot to the cockpit. Definitely some room for people to do some work there. So that's the second sprue. And then part of the second sprue came off, and that is the tail plane, obviously. And then we have a small canopy section, which I haven't taken off out of the bag yet. And then we have the wonderful decals. Our good friend Jonathan Mock, who we interviewed on the Scale Model podcast, redid these decals, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Again, with the logo and everything like that. A lot of stenciling, which is kind of cool for a kit like this. I think the original decals didn't quite have the stencils, but looking very nice. And then we have the instructions. Really not much to it. Really, once you get past the assembly instructions, it's really five parts, all on one page. Nothing really to write home about there. But as you can see, kind of cool in its own way. And then the famous, of course, the Airfix stenciling guide they've done for the last 10 years or so. So as I said, quite a few stencils on this one. Looks like at least 33 from my count. It seems to be the highest number there. But as I said, I'm going to have some fun with this. They do mention here, Airfix extends, right down here where my thumb is, Airfix extends its thanks to Colonel White and the personnel of Cloud Base for their assistance in preparation of this kit. Thanks also to Fan Anderson and Dave Siros. So anyway, so that's what it looks like. And then the last thing I had in the box was the complimentary Join the Airfix Club. So anyway, that is the Angel Interceptor. Really looking forward to building this one. It might be the next one on the queue, we'll see. But as I said, quite a few people have built it over the years. A lot of what if schemes out there. I've seen a lot of what if RAF and stuff like that. I may again do a what if Canadian. We'll see what happens. So that's it for this time. So don't forget, you'll see some more pictures on the website at blackfire.ca, and of course don't forget to listen to the podcast at scalemodelpodcast.com. So this is Stuart once again. Thank you and be well.